Hey guys, just out here on another adventure, me and Will. We're gonna actually go out and flip some stuff in the woods. Huh, Will?
Yeah.
We're gonna go look for some critters, but we're also gonna set up a little makeshift campsite for us and have some lunch over a campfire.
Yeah.
Ready? 2, 3, cool. All right, don't step back in the water and put anything in there. There's a salamander.
There's one.
Nice. He's cold.
Wow, he's a pretty guy.
Well, that was a quick find.
Yep.
You gonna let him go back? Surprised you don't carry a weapon.
We'll be excited to see your adventure.
So we had to make a pit stop before we head out to the woods, huh?
Yeah.
Stop by and see Grandma and Grandpa.
Yeah.
Do a little flipping right out of the gate.
Yeah.
It was a good find right away, huh?
Yep.
Got a little salamander.
Mm-hmm.
Grandpa showed you how to use the log flipper too, didn't he?
Mm-hmm.
Pretty cool.
How do they crawl under there and how do they not get squished?
That's a very good question. They wiggle their way under there to stay out of the elements and hide. It's a good hiding spot for them.
Yeah.
So it's a pretty cold day today, especially here for eastern North Carolina. It's a brisk 34 degrees. So a little bundled up. If you remember our last video, we found the dead horse and cow. Well, Will wants to go back over here and check it out and see how far along it's come to decomposing process. So we're gonna walk back over here and get a look and see what they look like now. Stinks, don't it? Coming along, slowly but surely. Decomposing. We got the little cow over here, the little calf. Look at this.
Little blind.
These some old deer blinds, huh?
These are old stuff. It's really good to flip because
Somebody just set their blind up out here and left it. Look at that.
oh, and a footprint.
You find an old print? Oh, this looks like a deer scrape, don't it?
And a footprint.
Yeah. So we have found a ton of deer scrapes back here on the backside of this property. Oh, Will.
Yeah.
Well, we found something.
Look how
That is deer fur, huh?
something tore it up.
Something did tear it up. Something.
Oh,
Look at that guy.
anyway.
Here, all the turkeys. Look at them flying up.
What is that?
That's a bunch of turkeys. We spooked them.
That scared the crap out of me. A thousand of chickens got died.
Is that what you thought?
Endangered, yeah. That scared the crap out of me.
Oh,
Oh, another one.
oh, you did. Good
What's with
find.
so much deer eggs?
Looks like there was a deer that got ate back here.
Let's go to the campfire.
All right, guys, so there's not a lot to be found today. It's a pretty cold day, so we're getting kind of hungry. So we're gonna take and go find a good little area to set up a campsite, cook a little bit of food. What do you think, Will? Whew, it's a big jump, dude. So I think we found our camp area where we're gonna set up a little fire and cook some lunch, huh, Will? So we can go ahead and start getting set up and get a little fire going.
Hey,
Want to clear out a spot?
wait, there's a tree right there. There's like a fall off and go to the tree.
finding some wet stuff.
Hurry in the west.
Wet stuff won't burn.
Look. Look. Dad.
Oh, there you go. That's a good start, man. Toss all our small sticks right in there. Make sure you get dead ones.
Oh, great.
Yep.
Is that one dead?
Yep. Break them. We're going to put them all right there. Mom made it out to us too.
Hi!
Got it.
We got our wood pile.
I already got it.
All right, we're gonna do it the old-fashioned way. Just kidding, not the old-fashioned way. We use a lighter.
Wow, the fire.
All right, let's get some kindling on it. Bunch of little sticks. Make it in the shape of like a TP wheel. All our little sticks.
Will plays while Dad does all the work.
That's how it goes, isn't it?
That is always how it goes.
Where'd you get my fried chicken from?
All right, so Will's favorite food is toast. Toast with butter and what else we got?
Waffle fries.
Some waffle fries. So we're gonna do a little different. We're gonna cook some lunch outside for him. Got our little camp cookware, huh? We brought ourselves some butter. All right, let's,
Why'd you bring ham for?
so I can make a sandwich too.
There's
Not just any bread for Will.
This is Will's favorite bread. This is seeded rye bread.
Yep.
It's pretty much the only bread Will will eat, huh?
The only kind.
The only kind. Put Will's toast on there real quick. Get it nice and toasty. All right.
It's Cajun.
Cajun.
you bring a knife?
Did bring a knife,
Daddy's always prepared.
unless I'm not. All right, Will. Let's see what you think about campfire toast. Cool. And then some waffle fries. Oh, Wilson.
What do you think, Will?
Is it good?
It's a little, was it smoky?
And a little butter. A little. I don't like when there's butter on the pan.
You don't like when there's butter on the pan?
I'm actually really surprised and impressed right now you're eating the toast. Bud up there is looking for some lunch.
Y'all done with
Oh,
that?
all gone.
Impressive.
Wow. How's it coming, Dad?
We're getting there.
Not quite the same as the air fryer.
Not quite, is it, Will?
How hot are they?
Touch them, don't warm.
That's hot. The plate is very hot.
The plate is very hot.
Give it a try, Will.
You don't like it?
Dad, you have a try.
A sandwich.
No, I don't even like sandwiches.
This is true. You do not like sandwiches.
Wait, I want some of that cheese.
You want some of the cheese? I knew you would want cheese.
Don't put all of it though.
Guys, you know what I had for lunch?
What?
Beef liver.
Gross. Those taste delicious. Tastes like they just came from McDonald's.
It tastes like it was in the refrigerator for 1 year and it went bad.
I mean, they probably wouldn't last on a shelf for a year like McDonald's food does.
They wouldn't, but these are delicious, William.
And that they had to cook it and bake it.
You know what the problem is with these for you? There's not enough salt on them. We should have brought you some salt.
How's that cheese treating you?
He's simple.
You need your little mini spatula.
Go to Mama's
You know what would be good out here, Dad?
What?
A nice little calm cup of coffee.
This is true. A cup of coffee would be good, wouldn't it, Will?
I'm like,
It's a super cold day.
Honestly, coffee over the jet boil is better than coffee at the coffee maker at home.
Look at that, that's a perfect meal. We've got some, brought it all out in our little case, everything we needed, some butter, some cheese, some fries. We made toast and sandwiches, and then Will's cheese. He gets the remainder.
Little dairy, little carbs. Good for you, Will.
That's it, it's a perfect outdoor lunch, huh? What do you think?
It's just fun to try new things and see how it goes.
It is fun to do new stuff, especially as a family. Huh, William? Get you off the couch.
Off the iPad.
Any other parent that's out there knows the struggle.
Mm-hmm.
Going outside, doing things, so we try to do it as a family to make it fun. Oh yeah, that's perfect.
Is that delicious?
It is delicious.
5-star.
I'll
Five-star.
I'll gone.
And make sure you take your trash with you when you go back home.
Yes. And put your fire out.
Always put your fire out.
Why?
You don't want to burn down the woods?
Because only you can prevent forest fires.
How do you know? Why?
Because Smokey the Bear taught me that.
Hey, thing.
It was a thing.
It used to be a real bear.
Yeah.
That's cool.
We used to have coloring sheets on it and booklets and fire safety courses in school.
All right, Will, we ready to put our fire out?
Yeah.
All right, let's cover it up with some of this wet dirt. Cover it all up.
And a fish fry so nobody finds it.
And our
right?
French fries so nobody knows we were here, huh? Now we're gonna take our water and dump it over the fire.
Oh, where's no? Wait, we can still see half of a french fry.
Oh, there's half of a French fry. All right. Good job, buddy. We got our fire put out. Right?
Yep.
Perfect.
Yep.
We'll clean up our camp stuff. All right, guys, so we cleaned up our campsite. We're getting ready to get out of here. We're going to continue to go do some more exploring. Huh, Will?
Yeah.
Go see if we can find some more stuff in the woods. But yeah, we appreciate you guys following us along on our little journey on raising boys outdoors.
Yep.
And kind of seeing some of the things we do as a family. And again, we appreciate you guys watching, and we will see you guys in our next video.
See you next time.
Bye.